Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. To start, you're going to open the glove box, and there's two ears tabs. You can take the stuff out of the glove box if you need to. There's two ear tags, one there and one there. Just push those tabs in, bring the box down, and it literally comes unlatched right there. See behind the mesh, you've got the white filter. There is a tab right here. So you pull up on that tab, and a tab here. I'm going to take a small screwdriver, and there's a tab here and a tab there. I just like to put the screwdriver in there, just pull up on that tab. Do the same on this side. And now we have access to the area. Maybe we can push that tab out. There we go. So I undid this tab, and there's an exact tab on the other side. I just reached over and pulled it. Pull the cage out of the way. And you can see the location right there. So once we've accessed the cabin air filter area, notice how the air fresh door is closed. So what we're going to do is turn the key in the on position, and you're going to hit recycle. If you push the recycle door, it's going to open up. Perfect. Now we can shut the key off. Now we're going to reinstall the cabin air filter, and the airflow arrow is located on the filter, and the airflow in this case goes down. So I'm going to put the right side on first. I'm just going to rest it in there. It has little plastic guides it goes against. It sits right there flush. It's a 2-filter system. Where's my arrow facing down? I'll bring in this side. It's all mounted in there. Now I can put my cage back in. Bring the top up first. Push the tab in. Lock that one down. Bring my finger over. Push that tab in and lock it down. Now we're going to put the glove box in. Get your tabs from the bottom. You're going to line them up right here. Bring it up, and now you're just going to push in on the tabs, and voila. We put stuff in, and then shut it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.